Hey guys, and welcome to another video of Unlock Panda. Today I will be doing a short tutorial video demonstrating how to unlock any iPhone out there. It doesn't matter if it's an old model or one of the newest. The process is basically the same. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I actually use this phone with Tigo Carrier, and I want to use it with another carrier in my country. So I'm going to go ahead and start the process. So the first thing that you have to do is go ahead and enter your phone, and we're gonna look for the dial screen. Okay, just gonna close this here. So go to the dial screen and you're gonna press the following: *#06#. A 15-digit number will automatically appear on your screen. You can see it here. So make sure you write down this number without any mistakes, and we will use it in the following step. Okay, so now we're just gonna put down the phone a little bit and we are gonna go to our computer. Okay, so now that we are in our computer, we're gonna go to the website unlockpanda.com. Oops. There we go. And in here you will have to provide some information about your phone. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I'm gonna have to enter is the carrier. This is the original service provider. In my case, this is Tigo from Guatemala. So right now it only works with this provider. Okay, then the manufacturer, it's Apple. Then you have to enter the exact model. This is an iPhone 7. And then you have to enter the IMEI number. This is the 15-digit number that we found out on the previous step. Okay. Then enter the email address where you wish to receive the unlock instructions. Then you have the option to enter a phone number to receive updates of or the status of your order. This is optional. I'm not gonna do this. And then at the bottom you can see the price as well as the estimated delivery time. Okay, so everything looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and press unlock now. On the following page, you get to review your order. Make sure that everything looks good. And then go at the bottom and we're gonna proceed with a payment. I'm gonna go ahead and pay with a credit card. So in here you just have to enter the credit card information as well as the billing address. After you enter everything, go ahead and proceed with the pay, and then depending on the delivery time, you will be receiving an email just like this: your iPhone has been factory unlocked. So let's go ahead. We're gonna read it carefully here. You actually have two methods to unlock this iPhone. I'm gonna go ahead and do it with the Wi-Fi method, which I believe it's faster. So all you have to do is insert a non-accepted SIM and then connect to a Wi-Fi network. It's gonna check on the Apple servers if your iPhone is actually unlocked. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our phone. Okay, so now that we are back at our phone, we're gonna follow the instructions, and all we have to do is remove a SIM if it has one, and we have to insert one unsupported SIM. So in this case, we can insert any SIM from any carrier except one from Tigo. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the SIM tray. Let's see if yeah, I don't have any SIM on it, so all I have to do is insert one. I'm gonna go ahead and insert one from Claro, which is the carrier that I want to use after it's unlocked. Okay, and now it says activation required. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and press dismiss, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect to a wireless network. Okay, just gonna go ahead and continue. Gonna look for my wireless network. There it is. Okay, it may take a few minutes to activate your phone. So now actually it is looking at the Apple servers and verifying that the iPhone has been actually unlocked. So let's wait a couple of minutes here. We should be getting a response anytime soon. There you go. As you see, now we have a signal from Claro, which means that your phone is completely factory unlocked. This means that you can keep doing updates and the phone won't relock, and you can enjoy your phone completely free. So there you go, guys. I hope this video was useful, and I'll catch you on the next video. Goodbye.